Hello everyone and welcome back to Piano Lessons with the Kindergarten Curriculum. My name is Dennis Wong and we have a German song now that we're going to learn. As some of you guys might already know, I am originally from Germany, born and raised there. So this song is called Die Vogelhochzeit, which translates to the bird wedding. It's a German nursery rhyme and I'll play it for you guys first, and then we'll talk about the notes for the left hand and the notes for the right hand. So, lots of skips, you guys might have already noticed that, and it says on our sheet music, let's buy for some skips first. Do you also notice any very short notes? So we have lots of skips in this song, and we will talk about that in a minute, but we also have some eighth notes. What we could do, we could take some stickers out and mark our eighth notes. We got some over here, and here, and down here. Once we're done with that, we can take a look at our right hand first before we practice our left hand. So it starts with finger number 3 on E, and then it goes up to 5 to G. This is already the first skip. And I have this rocking chair movement here because I'm going from 3 to 5 and back and up and down. And I think that's a very easy way to explain this, to make it a little bit more easy, because I find playing 3 and then 5 a little bit tricky, but this rocking chair movement makes it a little bit easier. So let's start over. Then we have 4 in D. Lots of skips. If you would like to, you can use a dot marker or any small little stickers to mark all of the skips. It starts with a skip from A to G. Then we got DF. Then we got EC. So let's take a look at the left hand. The left hand starts with a bridge here. We have the C, we have the G. Then we have G and F like we did before. Now the gap, so we have these two notes which are right next to each other. Now for the next ones, we have G and E. So the gap gets a little bit bigger because there's a note, a key in between now, which is this little line here. Now the gap gets even bigger because now we have G and D playing together, and the gap is bigger than here and much bigger than here because we have C and G playing together, and again the ones that are next to each other, again G and E, and it finishes with our C. So one more time, the left hand plays these two, then 1 and 3, then 1 and 4, then 1 and 5, then 1 and 2 again, 1 and 3, and a pinky on C. Stays down. If you guys have any questions about this song or any other lesson, please feel free to reach out to me. As always, I find this song to be on the more trickier side. I find this a little bit tricky because we have all these skips. We have faster notes, like shorter notes. We have all these changes in the left hand. The left hand keeps changing. It's not always these, it's actually changing a lot. So this song might take a little bit longer to practice, and maybe you'll have to practice this during like 3 or 4 practice sessions at home. But I hope you guys will enjoy this German nursery rhyme, and I'm excited to see you guys in our next lesson.